And what's happening YouTube, it's your boy TechTrex back in another video. And today I want to ask you guys, do you have a lot of device and you're wondering how you can charge it all at the same time? Today we're going to show you how to do that. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come of unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 130.ca. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. This one is from iCinio, and basically this is a charging station for multiple devices. You can have it for an Apple Watch right here. You can have an Apple Pencil on the back as well. There's also if you have AirPods Pro, you'll be able to charge it with this as well. And then a bunch of different devices right here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. Yeah, so basically, we're going to test out how much we can actually fit in this charger. It says here that you'll be able to charge a lot of different things, but we're going to show you what we got. So here we get the literature. There's the charging block right there. Pretty good. Let's put that on the side. And then the actual system itself. Very nice. Right off the bat, we see a bunch of different stands right here where you can put your phone, iPads, iPad minis. Basically, even if you have a Samsung phone, you'll be able to use it with this. So here it is. We have a bunch of devices here that we can use. There's also, we have a slot right here for the Apple Watch charger. We're gonna grab one of those right now and see if it actually fits. So to fit it on there, what you need to do is throw in the USB-C USB side first, like this. Pull it all the way through. There you go. And then the charger should just sit right in there. There you go, nice and snug. Beautiful. And then down here, what you could do is root it into here. There's a USB-C slot, and then another extra USB slot right there. And then you'll be good to go. And then all you need to do is throw all the wires right in here, like so. Pretty good. And then you can put the lid back on, like so. Just like that. Good to go. On the back there's USB 3, two USB 2s right there with fast charging. There's also the Type-C right there. And then the adapter itself where you can toss in right here. Just like that, and then boom, you're good to go. We're also going to test out how much wattage we can get out of each USBs. Over here you can put the Apple Pencil, any generation, I guess. It's not a charger though, it's just a stand for it, so that's pretty good. Right now we have it plugged in on the USB 3, and we have a 6-foot cable, the one that came in the box of the iPhone 10 here. Now we're just going to plug it onto our iPhone 10, just like that. There you go. And let's see what kind of wattage we get. Right now we're getting about 7.3 watts charging. Not bad, not bad. Now we moved it over on the fast charging slot right there. It's doing the exact same thing, about 7 watts. Right there, a little bit low, like almost 7. There you go. Plugged into our iPhone 10 with the same exact wires. There you go. We moved it one over now. It's about the exact same thing, 7 watts on the iPhone 10. So now we're gonna use the USB-C right there, and it's doing about 10 watts, which is better than the USB-A's. It's about 15 watts right there, 12 watts. So that's not bad. It peaked at about 15 watts, so that's pretty good. Connected to the same thing, 6-foot cable, Lightning to our iPhone 10. Very nice. Now the next test that we're gonna do is that we have to make sure that all our ports plus the 2 adapters right here will be able to charge all our devices. There's no point of buying this if it's not able to charge all our devices at the same time. So let's go ahead and put in our AirPods right here, which is, you could be an AirPods Pro or a normal AirPods, as you guys can see right here. So it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna plug in one of them right there. It's able to charge. Now let's put on our Apple Watch right here. You know, pretty basic stuff, right? Should be able to charge both of them right there. This has 0 charge, so it looks like it's charging, so that's pretty good. Now let's go ahead and put on our phone right here and see if it'll actually charge. This one is the USB-C. There you go. So you can see it's charging that. Now let's plug in another Lightning to USB-A on the back of this. And let's plug in another iPhone. Very nice. It's very good that it's charging that. There you go. These are still charging, right? Yeah, still charging. Yeah, still charging. Still charging and still charging. Very nice. Let's do a USB-C to USB-A, which is for the Android devices out there. There you go. Let's plug this guy in. And there you go, it starts to charge. Very nice. So for our last device, we're gonna use an iPad Air. Again, you can use any device for this. iPads also, it doesn't matter, be able to charge anything. iPhones, Android phones, Apple Watches. There you go. Let's plug this in right here. Very nice. And it'll start to charge. Very nice. All of these are mostly very small charge as well. And as you can see, all of our devices are able to be charged. Let's test it all again and show you that they are all charging. Charging. Very nice. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a caddy for all of your devices. You could see here, this is from iCineo charging dock. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Everything is an affiliate link as well, so it helps out the channel if you buy it from my link. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.